Welcome to Condense. In this video, we'll show you how an admin can quickly change a user's role from admin to user, or from user to admin. First, navigate to the Settings page from the main menu, and then navigate to the Users and Roles section. Here, you'll find a complete list of users within your organization, clearly displaying their current roles. To change a user's role, locate the specific user whose role you'd like to modify. Click on their current role that is displayed next to their name. You'll now see a drop-down menu where you can easily switch between admin and user. You can select the desired role to be updated. After making your selection, a modal will show the change that was suggested. On clicking the Submit button on the modal, Condense will automatically save the changes. A quick confirmation will appear, indicating the user's role has been updated successfully. That's it. You've effortlessly changed the user's role in Condense.